Hi everyone! Today I'm making orange fluff. This is a really easy recipe. It combines Jell-O, instant vanilla pudding, mandarin oranges, and mini marshmallows to make a delightful and refreshing treat. So let's get started. Drain two 15-ounce cans of mandarin oranges, reserving a half a cup of the liquid to use later. In a large bowl, add one 3-ounce package of orange Jell-O and 1 cup of boiling water. Now whisk this together until it's fully dissolved. Then add the half a cup of reserved liquid from your drained oranges and stir it together until it's well combined. Now chill this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Then remove it from your refrigerator and add one 3.4-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding. Whisk this together until it's fully combined. Now place this back into your refrigerator and chill it for an additional 20 minutes. Then remove it from the refrigerator and add one 8-ounce package of frozen whipped topping thawed. Now gently fold this in. Then add your drained mandarin oranges and 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Now gently fold this together until it's fully combined. Now chill this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to let the mixture thicken and to let the flavors blend together. And here it is, orange fluff. And you can change up this recipe by adding maraschino cherries, crushed pineapple, or even chopped nuts. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. Stop. Stop. No. It's so weird. Man, I don't need battery for I need battery for that. Yay! Now you get the ending. I can't get to stop. Hi everyone. Now. Ooh. This is all we got because we ate all of it. We got one bowl left.